ABC Speaking Academy.
Today, let's have a speaking practice using classroom language. Good morning, class.
Good morning, class.
Please sit down.
Please sit down.
Let's start to lesson.
Let's start the lesson.
Open your books, please.
Open your books, please.
Turn to page 10.
Turn to page 10.
Listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
Repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
Look at the board.
Look at the board.
Quiet, please.
Quiet, please.
Pay attention.
Pay attention.
Let's read together.
Let's read together.
Who can answer this?
Who can answer this?
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Try again.
Try again.
That's correct.
That's correct.
Very good.
Very good.
Well done.
Well done.
Let's take a break.
Let's take a break.
Time's up.
Time's up.
Clean up your desk.
Clean up your desk.
It's time to go home.
It's time to go home.
Write your name on the paper.
Write your name on the paper.
Let's sing a song.
Let's sing a song.
Get your pencils ready.
Get your pencils ready.
Let's count together.
Let's count together.
Student to teacher or class. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
May I go to the bathroom?
May I go to the bathroom?
May I drink water?
May I drink water?
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I'm finished.
I'm finished.
I'm not done yet.
I'm not done yet.
Can I borrow a pencil?
Can I borrow a pencil?
What page are we on?
What page are we on?
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
How do you spell this word?
How do you spell this word?
I like this activity.
I like this activity.
I don't know the answer.
I don't know the answer.
I need more time.
I need more time.
Is this correct?
Is this correct?
Let's work together.
Let's work together.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
That was fun.
That was fun.
May I clean the board?
May I clean the board?
May I open the window?
May I open the window?
Let's be quiet.
Let's be quiet.
Please line up.
Please line up.
It's story time.
It's story time.
Let's play a game.
Let's play a game.
Thanks for listening.